Hi everyone, it's Ivy Creates again. For this video, we are going to make a cover for this Boppy pillow. And so this is my pattern. I traced the pillow, and this is our foam Boppy pillow or a travel neck pillow. And then I just traced it. And yeah, this is our pattern. Like I said, I just traced from the foam, and then I made just half of the pattern. And I cut with a 1/4 inches or 1/4 inch seam allowance, and then I made two pieces for the front and the back like that, and we're just gonna put it wrong side in just to show how it should look like once we finish sewing it all together, putting it all together like that. So the fabric that I used here is 100% cotton, and then of course we also need a zipper. So here, next one is the side to shape it like the curve. I don't know how to explain it, but yeah, that goes underneath, and you're going to pin it like that so it will bulk a little bit. Just because I mean, you can just sew it like this, like a C pattern, but I added one for underneath because this fabric is not stretchy. I use 100% cotton, but if you use stretchy fabric, you can definitely just sew it, just go directly on the C pattern. All right, so here we are going to attach the zipper. So find your center of your first C piece. I'll call it a C piece. It could be your front or back. So like that. So fold 1/4 of an inch or like 1/8 of an inch, and then attach it there in the zipper. And then also we are going to find our center. I already marked that, and also align it with the center of the zipper as well. So we're just going to pin everything surrounding the zipper, and here it should look like this. I pinned it all, both front and back, and then we're just gonna sew it. And of course, supposing we're done sewing it, we are going to pin the sides together like that, but we're gonna do that later once we finish sewing the zipper, so it will be in place, and then we'll put the one that should go underneath. So here we go. Let's sew the zipper, and we're just going to open it a little bit just to make sure we have enough room to work, and like that. So I'm just being careful right here because I don't want to miss it. And yes, so let's see if we can have a closer look on how I did this one. And don't forget your forward and your backward stitch just to close it. All right, so here we go. This is the fun part actually there. So you're gonna open it a little bit in sewing the zipper so you have some area there to work, and then we're just gonna speed it up like that. So you are going to do the right and the left side, or the front and the back side of this. And so sorry, we're done with the zipper. Like I said, we are going to attach the front and back together and sew it. So I'm just going to do the sides first before I do the inner part of this pillow. Okay, so here we go. Let's pin it. And then now we're done, and so it's time to pin the inner part or the bottom part of this Boppy pillow cover. And like I said, always find your center to attach the two C parts together with this oval shape kind of. All right, so for the front and back, so this will serve us because the pillow has like, it's so bulky around your neck, like the one that touches your neck. So I have to put this part right here underneath. And like I said, my fabric is not stretchy, so I have to do it this way. And now we are ready to sew all the sides, and that will be the last step before we open it. Okay, here we go. So let's speed it up. This is times 5 of the speed. This is actually my first time to do it, and the pattern that I got is self-made. I just got it from the foam, the pillow. And there you go. We're done with the sides. It's time to sew the underneath part like that. So here you should be careful on this part because it's a little bit, it should curve, so to make sure that it's you stitch it, sorry, stitch it properly. All right, here we go. Oh, okay, there you go, we're done. And then we're just gonna cut a little bit of a line here so that when we flip it inside out, there's no bulk, so both sides. So there, we're almost done, guys. Thank you for your patience. Here we go. All right, now it's time to turn it right side out. I'm excited. So this is real tree, by the way, and this is for my husband. We have one pillow each every time we travel, and his is just really the fabric is already thin, so I have to make a new one. And there you go, it's done. And it's time to put the foam inside. Now, like I said, this is the fun part. There you go. All right. Okay, so like that. So just make sure it fits perfectly. All right, so it's easy to wash because you can just remove it. There you go, almost done. All right, and zip. Yay, I'm happy with the result, guys. Like I said, this is my first time to make it, and my husband loves it. Do you? He's here. Okay, this is the final product, and this is how you use it. So you are going to put it around your neck to protect your neck when you're traveling and you want to rest a little bit and you want to like sleep. Of course, don't sleep while driving. If you're the passenger, yeah. Okay, there you go. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I hope you like this. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment down below, and like this video. Bye bye.